Hey guys, welcome back to Resistance Chicks. Now I'm not going live right now. Like obviously technically I am, but this is, don't get your hopes up. This is not a thing. 5 minutes max. But I am incredibly excited to tell you guys about something that we are doing tomorrow. I know it's late. It's 11 o'clock here Eastern Standard Time. But tomorrow on Thursday, June 7th, we are going to be doing an interview with Lynette Zang. Now, if you guys do not know who Lynette Zang is, I'm going to give you a little bit of an introduction. So I'm going to kind of shrink myself here. Let me see what I have up first to show you guys. Lynette is the chief market analyst for, that's not what it, Jasper? For ITM trading. And actually, let me just pull up their page for you guys so that you can see exactly what I'm saying. All right, so they say, we are a 22-year-old full-service precious metals firm specializing in gold and silver products ranging from bullion to rare gold coins. We strive to assist each client in meeting their goals when investing in precious metals. We have thrived during the ups and downs of the market while maintaining a very strong reputation. For this reason, the Better Business Bureau has given them an A+ rating. Now, that's kind of a very, very broad overview and stroke. Hey, Mom. Do you need help shutting the door? Sorry. She goes, will you tell me if you go live? And I was like, yeah, I'm totally going to tell you. And then, okay. But anyway, this is what ITM does. Now, most of you will know Lynette just from the YouTube channel for ITM trading. However, a lot of you guys come to us and ask us, I want to invest in precious metals, but I don't know who to trust. This company, I can definitely put the Resistance Chicks name behind. And you can go to them. You can ask them questions. They are an amazing, amazing resource. Oh my gosh.
I'm so sorry right now.
Leah is cooking. Your fire is green under there.
Sorry.
Oh my gosh. Why is it green? Is that the copper?
Copper pot.
I can't. Lynette, if you're watching this is what you're going to get here at Resistance Chicks tomorrow. I'm very sorry. It can't be helped. We are as professional as possible, but we've been working outside all day long, and I wanted to get this out there a lot earlier. But before I go to bed, Leah still has to go to a pet visit. I really wanted to get this done because I want you guys to be here tomorrow at 2 p.m. We're going to go live with Lynette. Anyway, without further ado, I'm just going to play the #1 video that they have up on their YouTube channel, which you guys should be subscribed to, which here it is, ITM Trading. But Lynette is a fountain of information, and she embodies the exact Resistance Chick stance, not that that's an official worldwide thing, but seriously, on our view for preparing for the future with your finances. So anyway, let me go ahead and play this, and I hope
shown you how your wealth held in the system is vulnerable to counterparty risk. Now I'm going to show you why I say that gold and silver are severely undervalued. And it boils down to demand and supply. Because we do know that demand has been growing at great lengths since the crisis hit in 2008. And yet, if you look at the Wall Street spot price of gold, that's been declining. And we can see from this chart and others that there has been a deficit in physical gold. And let me tell you, when gold goes into the coffers of the central banks and the ultra-wealthy, it doesn't come back on the market again. So there clearly is something that they know that you don't. So this is one reason why I say that gold is severely undervalued. Let me show you other reasons why I say that. Now this is the debt limit versus spot gold. Okay, interesting to note, I'm so sorry. This thing is giving me a very hard time today. Interesting to note that once the global central bankers came out and said, we will do whatever it takes, open-ended money printing, that's when they started really hammering the spot price of gold hard. And of course, we know that the reason why they do that is because a rising gold price, and it is an indication of a failing currency.
So now, I'm gonna stop this there because I want to make this as short as possible because I want you guys to be able to share this video. So she is going to address with us. A lot of you guys come to us with questions about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Is the dollar really devaluing? What she was talking about there is it's rather interesting. She's saying the price of gold, and that video is from a year ago, but still, here, let me change this back here. It is valid today. The price of gold, it seems so expensive right now. But what Lynette does, and she is so intelligent, and she's going to give us a little bit more of her backstory and where she comes from and why she is as qualified as she is. But the dollar is so devalued right now that when you compare the price of gold to that, it is undervalued, and that's scary. You have to step back and go, oh my gosh, that is scary because gold is, what's 4 cents? The dollar is worth 4 cents compared to what it was. Patriot Gallery is contributing here. I heard you. $3.99 cents is what. So anyway, Lynette is going to break this down in ways that we all can understand. Now, she was kind of a little bit serious in that video, but she is a happy-go-lucky, absolutely adorable doll that I could not be more excited about Leah and I having her on our show. We had to book this interview 2 months ago, guys. 2 months. That's how far out she is scheduling interviews, which I think is indicative and just shows how much the information that Lynette has is valued by those of us in the truth world. We watch her every single time she puts out a video because the economy and the price of gold and silver, the dollar, the corruption of the Federal Reserve is more my forte. That's where my heart is. That's where I kind of am looking into a lot of things. And so even if we don't understand everything that she's saying, because she does speak sometimes up here, but I think she does a really good job of breaking it down in a way that we can understand. Now, she's also excited about coming on our show. She's talked about it like 3 times on her show because she understands that we're kind of a prepping channel, a homesteading channel, and she is doing things to prepare. She has this swimming pond that she's going to have a floating island of food on, and we're going to get to hear all about that with her tomorrow. So let me, just before I sign off, because I don't want to make this very long, I want to switch back over so you can go and start looking at some of these resources. Find her on Twitter. Right here, ITM trading _Zang, or just Lynette Zang. You can look her up and see her Twitter page. She's always putting out their videos and other things. I like what she says here. Also known as Data Gal with ITM Trading in PHX, and I tweet about the markets, gold and silver, and my love of urban farming and art. So there is her Twitter page. I showed you the ITMtrading.com website. So I want you guys to also visit there. And then on her LinkedIn page, let me just read you her profile here that I did put in the description. But it says, Lynette Zang has held the position of Chief Market Analyst at ITM Trading since 2002. Ms. Zang has been in the markets on some level since 1964. She has been a banker, a stockbroker, and studied world currencies since 1987. She doesn't look old enough. She is just a baby. Yeah. She's been in the market since she was 4. She believes strongly that we need to be as independent as possible, and at the same time, we need to come together in community in order to survive and thrive through the hyperinflation she sees in the near future. Her motto is food, water, energy, security, community, barterability, and wealth preservation.
Preach it, girlfriend.
Yes, preach it, girlfriend. So she recently did a video with Danielle DiMartino Booth, and it was excellent. We were actually just listening to it a little bit ago. So I want you guys to go and check out some of these videos.
Don't forget to tell everybody wear their pins and their necklace and their earrings.
Oh, because she always dresses so fancy. Wear your pins and your necklaces and get dressed up for this. But she always does look absolutely lovely. But I want you to check out these videos tonight, and if you have time tomorrow, because I would love it if you guys could email me some questions that, if we have time, and we may not, but if we do have time and I find a question pertinent, I would love to ask Lynette, because we already have our own series of questions that we're going to ask her tomorrow as well. So anyway, this has gone on long enough. I do need to sign off. I am going to see you guys tomorrow. Leah and I together, and Lynette, which I can't tell you how excited I am about having her on our show. We are very humbled. My mom is also very excited about this, as you can tell. I said that already. In the beginning, I said it's very important for you guys to understand our stance on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. And I think that Lynette is going to do a far better job of explaining that, and also giving you guys some sense of security in it, so then we can. So that's also why I'm excited about it, because it's hard for me to explain to you guys our stance on it, but I think Lynette will do an excellent job there. So I'm going to sign off here. Let me go back and see if there's any comments that I need to address. Excited with you. Yes, you all should be excited. This is so fantastic. This is our first interview, I think, that's like big, that we've interviewed somebody. It's kind of big time. So Get excited. Wicked Psych says, hasn't gold and silver been devalued and fluctuate too? Yes. But there again, those are questions that are going to be great for Lynette. And it was going to be a recorded interview, but we're going to go live, so you guys will be able to be here. So get excited with me, because it's a live event that you guys will be able to be at, which is why I want you to share the heck out of this video right now, so we can get as many people here as possible for the live interview with Lynette, which of course it will save and it will upload afterwards. But still, I think having a hopping live chat and having people excited in there, I'm so excited. I'm really, really looking forward to our interview with Lynette, and I think that she is too. So, all right, I'm going to sign off here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to both of our channels, Mass Faith 3 and Resistance Chicks and ITM Trading. Subscribe to their channel so you can be watching Lynette's videos, because this stuff, she really lays it out in a comprehensive manner that you can understand. And she's very confident in the things that she says, as she should be. Share this video, and we'll see you tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time with Lynette. We'll see you Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for our weekly roundup, and we will see you Sunday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for our European and UK news. We love you. God loves you. God bless. And have a wonderful and safe day tomorrow. Bye, guys.
I was cold.